Now my old feed truck, it may not be all high up and fancy with all the new gadgets and whodunits and stuff. It doesn't even have a sunroof. But I'm going to surprise you today and talk about something that does have a sunroof and why we have to have it. So stay with me. Hey, it's Texas Guys with Load Tractor and Equipment coming to you for your Tune-Up Tuesday. I'm here at the farm trying to get some things done today, and I want to show you a very important feature that we've got on the tractor. It's not just so we can look cool. We actually use this as a functioning feature, and what that is, that's the sunroof. You wonder why in the world does a Kubota tractor, or any tractor for that matter, need a sunroof? Well, let me tell you why we need a sunroof. And that's because this loader reaches so high that if you're loading hay up on an 18-wheeler trailer or something, that loader will actually raise up beyond your field of vision. So what these tractors do with the sunroof, it allows you to still see your loader up in the air once it passes the top of the cab. Now, we may look cool in the process too, but the real function of a sunroof in a cab tractor is so you can efficiently load what you need to load. So if you ever wondered why there's a sunroof in a cab tractor, now you have it. That's what Tune-Up Tuesdays is all about. Hey, don't forget to like us, subscribe to our YouTube page. Don't forget the gram. Yep, we're on the gram now, Instagram, so check that out too. I hope you have a great week. We'll see you next time.